my Gurudev, Om Vishnupad, Bhakti Prabhu Keshav Goswami Maharaj. And also the same to my Shiksha Guru, Om Vishnupad, Nitya Leela Pravishta, Shishila Bhakti Vedant Swami Maharaj. I know that there is no difference between Diksha Guru and Shiksha Guru. Both are like Akhanda Guru Tattva from the lotus feet of Nityananda Prabhu or Shivaladev Prabhu.
Undivided Guru.
So, I'm so much fortunate to take initiation from my Gurudev, very beloved one of his Gurudev, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur. And from the age of 16, personally, always with him, serving. And also I'm so much fortunate that I came in the touch of Abhay Charana Arvinda. You know Abhay Charana?
46.
Oh. From beginning of our Gaudiya Vedanta Society, Srila Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, also he was one of the founder members of Gaudiya Vedanta Samiti with Gurudev. And from beginning, Guru Maharaj joined Prabhupada mission in 1916 and Swamiji perhaps in 22. And from beginning they were bosom friends. So he called Abhay Charana Arvinda to be one of the founder members of Gaudiya Vedanta Samiti. And he made him the chief editor of our
Monthly
magazines. And when he came first in Calcutta to meet my Gurudev in 1946, he was there with my Gurudev. I think that your birth was not at that time, perhaps. There was no even back to Godhead. No league of devotee, even what to speak of this movement, what is going. At that time he has not taken sannyas even, but was very much attracted by my seva. So I am not any acharya, no qualified devotee. What I am? Only dasanu of these two exalted devotees. May call them transcendental associates of Srila Jagat Guru, Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati or Srimati Radhika. I am not qualified. I know totally. I am not like Acharya Guru. Only I am sincere to their services. And what they have told, I want to express same thing in the same line, same mood. And that is why I think all appreciating my words. Otherwise, nothing for me. No credit at all. I know. Credit is what? They are. They are lotus dusts, pig dust. So, I only desire that what he ordered me in his last words, that I request you to help my devotees, my disciples. I have brought so many, but I could not
Train them properly.
train them what I wanted. And I think he never was in false. He told true. Because we are seeing, if we are, you all, I know that there are so many disciples of Srila Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj. You know, I see most of you very senior, Mahabuddhi Raj, and so many. Those who are Grihastha, those who are, so all are senior Vaishnava. I know that all the senior devotees, the disciples of Swamiji, they have an ego that we are following him. But if following truly, sincerely, then how we deviated? Understand?
How we deviated.
Deviated. Why? I know that you were all brahmachari at then. Mahabuddhi, very strong, personal guard of his Gurudev.
Bodyguard.
Bodyguard like. Not only bodyguard, in all way. If Prabhupada was here in this world, I know that he would have never come to worldly life. Never. You can ask him. Oh, I know. Oh, this Prabhu always serving so much.
Jalakar.
Oh, Jalakar. Who kept this name? Himself your Gurudev?
Yes.
Jalakar, you know? Jal means life. Life means bhakti. Bhakti, ocean of bhakti, Jalakar. Yeah. Not, he gave you very high class of name. So, Jal, you know, life. And what is life? Bhakti is life. But what bhakti? Prema bhakti. Not this Vaidhi bhakti or any bhakti. Oh, prema bhakti. And this is water. And the ocean of that love and affection, oh, it is Jalakar. Oh, so you Jalakar. I know that if you were always serving him and he was present still, I know that you have not entered in worldly life. I know. All of you, Kriparam Prabhu, oh, so many I know.
Isha Prabhu.
Oh, very
Ramesh.
Ramesh. Or what name?
Puru Prabhu.
Huh?
Drishtadyumna.
Oh, Dhrishtadyumna, you know? Oh, very qualified, very qualified. I know that the disciples of Swamiji were all very qualified. But Swamiji has no time so much to train more. He brought them up to a 4 what?
Crossroad.
And what is that? Oh, like Vaidhi Bhakti, somewhat. He gave the seed of Bhakti to you all. And that was the desire to serve conjugal Radha Krishna, Nityananda Prabhu Gaurachandra. This desire he gave. And he wanted to sprout it. He wanted to make you gardeners. Huh? And to keep it in your heart soil. like a gardener, like a gardener. And this is like garden. And water should be given. He was giving water, enough water. But his Prabhu called at once. And at once, he has to return and to serve conjugal, Gaur Nityananda. He was searching us. Oh, call Narayan Maharaj, call Narayan Maharaj. He told to all his prominent disciples, GVC, Tamal Krishna Brahmananda.
Mahabodhi was
Huh?
there. Mahabodhi was there.
All, he told. All went to me. Oh, our Gurudev is calling you at once. He is requesting to come. And in the night I went there. He had just stopped to speak. He was on the bed. But when he saw me, at once he wanted to sit down, but I checked him. And he took my hands in my hands, told that you should sit here. Oh Prabhu, I am your Dasanudas. Let me hear. And then he began to speak so many things. He wanted to open his heart, but he could not. But something he told, that you should help them. What help them? I know that if all were trained in his line, Swamiji never fell from the line. He never gave sannyas.
Gave up sannyas. Never gave
And
up
he
sannyas.
never accepted this worldly life. You know, understand? My English is so poor and lame, so you should abstract the
The essence.
essence. So, if all are following him actually in his line, having a false ego that we are following, I know that any devotee, pure devotee, who is serving his Gurudev, and if Gurudev is bona fide, Jiva Goswami cannot deviate. Narottam Thakur, Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur, Raghunath Das Goswami, Srila Prabhupada and all, even my Gurudev and your Gurudev, they never deviated. So any devotee serving him actually, his real mood, object, he cannot deviate. Gradually, from Shraddha to Nishtha, Nishtha to Ruchi, Ruchi to Asakti, Asakti to Bhav, Bhav to Prem, Sneh, Man, Pranam. Oh, always developing. There is no chance at all there. So, you can imagine that really 95 or more than that, actually not following his real mood. He brought us up to Shraddha to somewhat Nishtha. But what is Nishtha? With intelligence, we will establish something and I must do that. No taste. So up to Nishtha, but even not real Nishtha. Nishtha at what? What is the meaning of Nishtha? Nishtha. Tha means
Fixed.
fixed. Oh, if anyone will cut me in lakhs and lakhs pieces, oh, I cannot give up devotion in mine. Where I am, I will not come down. Never. Like Prahlad Maharaj, like Haridas Thakur, like so many. So, we reached at the level of somewhat Nishtha, but there was no taste. And this period is very
Dangerous.
dangerous,
Delicate.
delicate,
Precarious.
very delicate. If at that time there is no high class of association, O may give down. And if at that time a high class of association or high class of Hari Katha is there, then will go up. Then Ruchi will come. If Ruchi comes, very rare chance to come down. Only in the case if is offensive, otherwise no. So in devotion line, in very rare there is chance to make any offense to Gurudev and Vaishnava. But when Guruji is no control of mind, then worldly things comes, and then we are bound to do offense. Then we think that all disciples are of my property, and anyone is coming to share, so they become mad. They don't think that how he came, Swamiji. He loved so much us, never he thought that he is not my disciple. More than his disciples, he loved me. So at that time there is no division of, oh, he is my disciple and he is disciple. You know, Jiva Goswami never saw any difference between him and their Guru of Narottam Thakur, Srinivasa Acharya, Shyamananda. We are only one family, Chaitanya family. There may be so many what? Sections. There may be. Nityananda Parivar, Narottam Parivar, Shyamananda Parivar, Shivas Parivar, Gadadhar Parivar, so many, but one family, Gaurpar, who has so much honor for Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and chanting Krishna's name. All are our family. We are in all family. But nowadays we are making so many offenses, not knowing all these things. So I came to this world, Western and Eastern, to see the Vaibhav of Swamiji. Vaibhav, you know?
The glory of Swami Maharaj.
Glory of Swamiji. And everywhere I saw. I went to Canada in Saranagati, here also in
Gitanagari.
Gita
Pennsylvania,
Nagari,
Gitanagari.
Australia, Fiji,
Hawaii.
everywhere I went. In the midst of forests and mountains here and there. And everyone, even grasses are glorifying Swamiji. But what is his glorification? I want to glorify him. I always glorify them. You know, Jiva Goswami can glorify Rupa Goswami. More than that, Raghunath Das Goswami can glorify. Other cannot. A high class of devotee, they can glorify. Those know, they know whose glory. Oh, Swami was so glorious. Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj. You should always keep in your mind that I am telling of your Prabhupada. I am not telling by my side, because there are some things any disciple can tell their Gurudev, Prabhupada know how. But our Gurudev and others, they told me, don't tell me Guru Prabhupada. Oh, or Prabhupada, we have given all these things to. That is why I am not. But I have more regard than this name also to him. So I am very grateful to him, my Gurudev and him. I have come only to take the lotus dust of Swamiji and to see the glory, and I am everywhere seeing. And to somewhat give the water what he gave to me. I don't want to be
Independent.
थोड़ा बतलाते हैं किसी गुरु से लेकर के और उस चीज को नहीं देने से.
Oh, what I have received from my guru, I don't want to not to give that to
I am not
others.
ungrateful.
Ungrateful. I want to be grateful. How I can be grateful? If he has given me some water, not so much, so I should give this water to all the devotees. If I am not doing, and if I am doing for my any self gain, then I am akritagya. I am ungrateful. So without any self gain, without any cost and greed, not a wish that I should make disciples. Never I wished. Some situation bounded me to accept disciples. I know that you are all, even to whom I have accepted like disciples, they are all glories of Srila Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, your Prabhupada. And you should be always grateful to them. Grateful to
Him.
Swamiji, Bhakti Vedanta Swami. Because you have come to me, how you came? By his books, by his disciples, anyhow by means. But it is due to him. So anyone in Western or Eastern countries, those who are inclined in devotional line, all are unke कृतज्ञ.
Glory of
God grateful to him.
All are great. I think that even generation who will come, they will be indebted to him, Swami. Today I want to take some rest, so we will glorify him and we will try to give classes so good. I have told about Rup Shiksha in Beja, very high class and very heart touching. So I think, why should I not give the Shiksha of his Gurudev,
Sanatana Goswami.
Sanatana Goswami, given by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. I will try to touch something, the Shiksha of Srila Sanatana Goswami. I think whole Chaitanya Charitamrita and Bhagavat will come in his Shiksha. Everything is complete Sanatana Shiksha. Even Gopi, Mahabhav, and what is there of Radhika mood is there. From beginning, from Shraddha and to Mahabhav, Rudh and others. So we will try to touch really their sincere Shiksha and we will try to follow. If you are hearing all these things only for show battle, it will never give any good result. So what you should see here, like Parikshit Maharaj, like Jiva Goswami, like Raghunath Das Goswami, from Sarup Damodar and Rup Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, like this. I am hearing to follow, to develop our Krishna consciousness. This mood will increase your bhakti. So from tomorrow we will begin, and I see that there are so many qualified devotees here. Also they will give classes. So I think that 2-3 classes will be here because all have come from different part of here and there, and they will be here 24 hours. So in morning you should manage one class, and evening for me from 6 to 7,
5 to 7.
5 to 7 or you like, you should manage. You should have a sitting and you should, and in the meantime, one class maybe Shamrani and all, there are so many they can speak, and thus this sitting should be a very high class. Nothing, no problem at all. We have nothing to solve any problem. We have to solve only one problem.
How to work.
Yes.
Kaha mura pranana tamara vidana.
How we can develop our Krishna consciousness? Where is Krishna? Where is Krishna? Like this. Where is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Where is Rupa Goswami? Only this is the problem. If this problem is solved, all problems will be solved. Prahlad Maharaj has told, न तत्प्रयासो कर्तव्यो जत आयु व्यय परम.
न तथा विन्दते सीमं कुन्दचरणं.
Perhaps you remember, you know Srimad Bhagavatam. न तत्प्रयासो कर्तव्यो. Oh, we should not be engaged in only solving the problems, how to maintain our life. How to maintain money, how to maintain all these things. Oh, my children, my wife. Oh, in life we see, we don't want suffering, any problem. We don't want old age. We don't want to die. We always, whatever we do, for what thing? Only for this. That we should be happy. Anyone never does anything to be unhappy. If he does, means he is mad or he has no intelligence.
Damage.
True.
But even old age coming, death coming, so many sufferings coming. Anyone cannot avoid. They will come and control and they will dance on our heads. Understand? Must be. So, if you are not doing anything for happiness, to be happy, or even for your past activities, happiness is bound to come.
Automatic.
Automatically.
Automatically it is bound to come. Then why to lament and why to...
Endeavor. Hard endeavor.
So we should be what
We should concentrate.
that Krishna is managing everything. Only we should surrender unto his lotus feet. Sarva dharman partajyamam ekam sharanam. Always remind and try to follow it. And you should see that, you will see that all your problems are solved. And if not solved, I am responsible. For some days, 7 days, you should believe like that. And if any problems comes, I will call Swamiji that you are responsible for this. Understand? And he will have to come and to answer because he had told so. So you should have a very strong faith like myself. Only we should try to solve these. How we can develop our faith. Increase our nishtha to ruchi, ruchi to asakti. If you are coming to this line, even very satisfaction. No chance to deviate. No chance. So from tomorrow we will do everything. Today I want to take some rest. Gaur Prema.
Hari Hari Bol.
You should try to have a meeting and to discuss how.
Gurudev ki jai. Gurudev ki jai. Prabhupada ki jai.
Everyone right now just